Hey lovelies, and welcome back to yet another Sunday vlog. This is Amasala welcoming you back to our lovely space. So it's a Sunday and we are getting ready for church. So everyone's dressed and I'm just putting on my shoes here, and that is the final thing that I have to do in terms of preparation to get out of the house. And so I thought. But anyway,
A few moments later.
women and lateness, Sunday lateness. God have mercy upon us. Like, everyone is downstairs. I forgot something. And if you know the thing that I forgot, nails. I can't roll because of my heels. You guys, hey! The devil is a liar. My bag and goodie bag for after service. Let's go to church. Huh?
Yeah.
You leave mommy behind.
Where's
my book?
Your book is not in your bag. Congratulations on you.
Hey, don't lie.
Okay, I don't know what you want me to do. Anyway, you guys, a few moments later, we were on the road and I'd had time to put on my press-on nails. I don't know if you guys remember, but this is the same nails from my Shein unboxing. The OGs on the channel will probably remember that video. So this is my first time putting on press-on nails, and the application was actually quite simple. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get them, this was less than £2. It was £1 and change, and it was really good. So there were about 24 pieces in it.
Configuration is.
What are you guys doing?
It's almost like my own.
Oh no, Lori,
Mommy, do it again.
I don't know, give my
2 hours later.
So this is us coming back home after church, and our church is in Middlesbrough, like I've said a number of times on the channel before. So we stay in Darlington, so this is us making the trip back. The boys are just having some snacks and we are going back home. But before we get back home, we have to stop by at the store to get a few things for today's lunch. Okay. So we stopped at Asda. This is a really big Asda. I want to buy what we're going to cook for the month. I need to buy some ingredients. See assistant mommy. I need to get some ingredients to make stir fry. That were great. That we're having stir fry today. Let's get inside and sit down. I honestly cannot be the only one who has to put their children in a trolley just to make sure that it doesn't run off and start packing all this whole shop inside the trolley. This is something I do without shame. I put my 3-year-old in the trolley just so that I can have sanity, and especially when I'm in heels, I need to be able to control his movement. So I'm just picking the ingredients that I need for today's lunch. Comment in the comment section if this is something that you do as well, but this is something that I do from time to time without shame, and it actually does help. Sometimes he behaves himself, but I cannot guarantee it 100% all the time. So this is my go-to method. Anyway, he actually enjoyed the ride in the trolley because he was already getting tired. So I just went ahead and picked up all the items we needed. I picked up some cucumber, some bell peppers, carrots, cabbage, some onions as well, and then I picked up the smoked pork that we used. This was our source of protein for the stir fry, and then picked up some cupcakes because the boys were starting to get hungry. And then we used the self checkout at our Asda. This is something that I will pick any day, anytime, because it is so much faster than going to just jump on the till. But anyways, we're on our way home now, and we're just going to put all of our things in the boot because we forgot to bring our shopping bag. And you know, I'm not about to buy extra bag. So I'm just going to dump everything into the boot and then pick it with my hand when we get home. Oh, Father Lord.
Mommy!
Thank you, boys, for your help. Thank you. I appreciate you.
Yay!
Thank you for being good helpers.
Yay!
If you continue to behave yourself like this, then when we continue to take you into the store.
Yay!
But if not, you will continue to wait inside the hot car. This sun is sunning. This heat, it reach your side. I beg, the heat, it much, it's plenty.
I want to open
It's
the
plenty.
window now.
Anyway, you guys, on our way home, we decided to stop by at the petrol station to just fill up the car for the week. And then it dawned on me that I forgot the key ingredient for today's stir fry. And we just had to make another stop at Morrison's. Unbelievable. I forgot the key ingredients to the stir fry. I forgot soy sauce. So we've come to Morrison's to pick it up. This soy sauce that I said I forgot. I also picked up coconut, apples, pineapple, and then I picked up the soy sauce. And then it was time to go home. I also used the self-checkout here. And by the time I got home, my legs were already screaming. You see that heel that I wore? It was getting too much. So I just decided to take some time off and cool off before I started cooking because I wasn't about to just jump into the kitchen. So this is everything we got. Unfortunately, I will not be doing a haul. My husband also thought it was a good idea to buy the boys these swords, these foam swords. And we had fun with it initially, but then it became a nuisance and I had to hide it. Till today, they are still looking for it. You will never defeat me. Sure, you guys are seeing the effect of all having just boys. This is not something I would change because I actually enjoy playing with them sometimes, but it gets overwhelming sometimes. But I'm not complaining. I actually enjoy playing with my boys, including my Oga. So anyway, you guys, after we've had time to just unwind and just chill and talk as a family, then we proceed to the kitchen to start making lunch. And today we are making stir fry, like I said before. So my husband is just helping out to just dry the dishes and just put them away while I cook. And we're also getting to talk and just interact, catch up on, when each person was at work. And then we're just going to proceed and make this stir fry. So I'll just show my husband this really cool trick that I found out on the internet this week about this vegetable peeler, that it doesn't just work one way, it actually works both ways. So for this stir fry, I'm using half of each pepper. So I'm using a red, green, and an orange red bell pepper. English has started again. So I'm using half of these three peppers and I'm just keeping the rest. I'm putting the rest of them in this container that I got from Temu. If you guys haven't seen my unboxing from Temu, it will be going live after this video. And then I'm just going to go ahead to shred these peppers and just, get ready for all of the stir fry. And the stir fry really doesn't take that much time. It comes together really, really quickly. So you guys, let's talk about our week. How have you guys been faring? How have you guys been coping? Is everybody doing all right? I hope that you guys have made time for God. I know in this country it's not very easy to have a dedicated time, but if you are deliberate and intentional about it, you can have a conversation with your employer and have Sunday dedicated to God. This is something that I'm deliberately and intentionally doing. You cannot entice me with shift or even more money or overtime payment. I just have to have that Sunday set aside for my family, set aside for church, because it's so easy to just get lost in routine. But anyway, you guys, everything is all chopped off and I'm chopping the meat last because I'm trying to reduce the rate of contamination, and I have that extra onion just to garnish afterwards. So I'm starting off with some onions, and then I'm going in with some minced ginger, let that toast for a while and just build a flavor profile. And then I'm going to be going in with my garlic crusher. This thing is such an amazing addition to my kitchen. And I'm just going to be crushing some cloves of garlic. This is also from my Temu unboxing. You're going to see that in the next video. So yes, I'm just going to be stirring that in for a while, and then I'm going to be sauteing my vegetables for just 1 minute because I want it to get coated in all of that ginger and garlic. And then I'm going to take it all out, and then I'm going to brown my meat. And I'm just doing this to just reduce the way or the rate at which the garlic and ginger, I don't want them to brown a lot, and you see that this meat is just going to break down and just release its juices. I'm also seasoning it with salt and pepper immediately it hits the pan, just so that the flavor gets into it as quickly as possible. And this is just going to reduce its juices because of that salt. And once I just let the water dry off a bit, I'm also going to be adding some ground pepper. This is the red cayenne pepper. This is the spicy one. And that's just to give this food some level of flavor, because what are we eating in this life if there's no pepper? Please. I'm also going to be boiling some basmati rice because that is what we're going to be having with the stir fry. And I'm doing 1.5 cups for the whole family, and that is just going to be enough for our lunch. I try not to make excess because it will spill over and it might not get eaten. So I just try to make what we are going to eat in a go or at a go, and that's just that for the rice. So I'm just going to let that go as well. I also got that rice washer or rice bowl from Temu. The spatula I'm using here as well is also from Temu. So you guys are going to get to see all the things that I got in the next video. So our stir fry is almost done, and once I have added my peppers back, I also had the vegetables back and then the soy sauce, and then I just let everything go. And from here it only spent about 2 to 3 maximum 5 minutes on the burner, and then it's good to go. I still like my vegetables crunchy, so I don't let it go for too long. But if you do not like crunchy vegetables, why not let it go for a bit longer, but you just have to keep an eye on it. So everything is done right now. I'm just serving it up and we're getting ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. This video is proudly sponsored by SilkSilky. I will be showing you all the amazing items they sent me to unbox in this video today. You guys, something actually painful happened in this video, and that's kind of the reason why I'm sitting on the floor here. I bumped my pinky, my baby toe, I bumped it into one of the stools in the kitchen, and it was so painful. You guys, come and see. Hard girl in the mud, because it was when my husband was rubbing it. I just had to end the video abruptly because I was in so much pain. But we're just here having a video call with family and just trying to catch up because we are both at home at the same time and we can talk and engage with everybody. I'm also going to be going upstairs here to tell you a little more about SilkSilky. The OGs on the channel will probably remember them. Hi lovelies, and welcome to this segment of the video. This segment has been sponsored by SilkSilky, and they have sent me a couple of items to unbox in the video today. You guys might not remember, but I did a collaboration with the same brand a couple of months ago, almost a year ago, if not a year ago exactly, and they have reached out for another collaboration. So in today's video, they've sent me some items to unbox. So SilkSilky deals with 100% silk, and they specialize in the mulberry silk, which is the premium kind of silk. So I will insert some pictures on this side so you guys get to see the first collaboration we did together. So this is what the box looks like, a sneak peek into what they sent me. There's this slip that is just, to tell you about the do's and don'ts for the garment and how to care for it. There's also a guarantee on there. As we have this scrunchie that is leopard skin. They have sent me this leopard skin scrunchie, and you know, some people choose to use this on its own, some people choose to use this to bind up the hair. And the benefit of using this silky scrunchie is that it has little to no hair loss or hair damage. You know, when you use a really tight hairband and you use it for a while, you tend to notice that some strands tangle along, so you don't experience that tangling with this silk scrunchie. So that's one of the good things about it. They've also sent me this head cap. This is actually quite different from the bonnet that I had in the past. Just to try it on. So this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. So you can tell that this is suitable for braids because this hair is actually quite full and it takes it all. So they sent me that, and I got that in the color black. It's really nice, really roomy. They have a ton of colors on their website, but I chose the black one because you can't have too many black bonnets or head scarves. So they sent me this 2-piece sleepwear. This is, and I got this in the leopard print because why not, if not? So I've gotten this, and this comes with some really nice attachments. I don't know if you can see the gold attachments on there. One thing I love about this is because if you look at this in the reverse, you can see that it's kind of double layered, so things are not pointing. There's some gold details also on there as well, and this is what it looks like. It looks really good. And it also comes with bottoms. So this band isn't adjustable, it's just there for aesthetics and has a very good stretch to it. It's short as well. And the great thing about this particular 2-piece is that I can couple it with the first pajama set that I was gifted, and I will show you how it looks just to couple it together. So I can't wait to try this on. So you guys, you know what to do. The link to their website will be in the description box. They have also been generous enough to gift my subscribers some amazing discounts. So please go on there, click on the link in my description box. It will take you directly to their website. You will also get to benefit from discounts when you're checking out and be able to enjoy some of these amazing pieces on their website. You guys, this is what the garment looks like on me. I absolutely love this 2-piece. I love the leopard print that I got. In case anybody's wondering, I got this in the size extra large, and I absolutely love the fitting of it on me. It feels so lightweight. The scrunchie can be worn on your wrist just so that you have it on hand. And this is the spaghetti strap camisole with the pants that I got from our original unboxing. And this is it with the 2-piece again. I absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go on their website, patronize them, and I will see you in my next one.